So I did some shopping during the sales and bought that jacket. A Levi's denim jacket. Pretty basic. That's a double XL and well, it's too small. So in this video, we're gonna change the fit of this jacket and throw some paint on it. Let's make the sickest denim jacket. Jacket world, I love varsity jackets. Matter of fact, here's my full collection in 5 seconds. I love the shoulder separation particularly. I want that on a denim jacket. Took the jacket, took an old pair of jeans. Well, not really old, pretty much new actually, but they don't fit. Online shopping, too lazy to return. Okay, let's move on. Took the jacket, measured the jacket to cut it in half, measured the length, took the jeans and cut a piece of it, stitched the jeans piece to link both halves of the jacket, checked the fit. I was already fired up. Then I wanted to work the collar. I remember this denim jacket that Jaden Smith had on a music video. I am just an icon living. Got inspired to make something similar. Cut the collar and boom. I don't like how the jacket folds though. Took the extra fabric from the collar and reinforced that part so it makes it heavier and it doesn't move. Moved on to the sleeve now. Cut the sleeves up, tried the jean vest to see if I could pull it off. The answer is no. Let's move on. Went back to the denim, cut the shoulder pieces to build contrast, stitched the left sleeve, then the right sleeve. I failed. The sleeves were not symmetrical. Unstitched that sleeve, started on the right side this time, restitched and done. The jacket itself is done, but you know I'm not done here. I always wanted to try something with paint. The YouTube gods, algorithm, call it whatever you want, have randomly recommended me pouring videos lately. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here's a clip. Okay, so that, you see, I want to do that on a jacket. Did some research on how to make it work, bought paint and got started. Before doing this on the jacket and ruining it, I had to test it out. Did this, that, this, and that. After spending days trying different stuff, I said fuck it. Taped the jacket, started my first mixture of paint with blue tones. The goal here was to make a beach sunset vibe, with blue tones at the bottom and colorful tones at the top. Don't keep that in mind though. Started the pouring. Took the hair dryer and at this point, I was hyped. This is turning great. But this happened. It was a disaster. The paint got mixed up because this is what paint does and turned into, well, I'm sure you're getting an idea here. I quickly grabbed toilet paper to stain the theme and absorbed as much paint as I could. After it dried, I tried to fix it as much as possible. You tell me how I did. Ready for the reveal? So looking back at it, I think I did a mistake using the black as the base color for the top pouring, but it was my first time doing a pouring video and my first time doing it on a jacket. Obviously, it was a fun experience and I want to do it again. Comment down below if you want me to do it again and with what color and with what piece, a jacket, a pants, sneaker maybe. Let me know.